Hi everyone, this is a 6-pin Yale. Don't have a key for it. Standard hook, pin side tension. Start at the back. It's pin 5, I think. Pin 1. Pin 6 gives us a full set. Stuck on pin 4, I think. Sure that's set some pins there. Just reset that. Try again. Okay, 4, 1, 6 gets us to the full set. It seems to be pin 4 that's giving us the counter rotation, but we'll try and go for everything else on set. So. Set pin 4, but I can't help but feel I lost everything else. It's all gone springy. Okay, let's release tension of it a bit more. Get something pop up. Okay, that's 4. 1, 6, and we've just gone round in a ring there, I think. Unless it's a different pin, which it is, so we have actually managed to hang on to that set pin 4. There we go. That is a horrible pick. You actually think that you've lost it all and you haven't.